Deshpande, PGT Biology from Tagore Public School. As I have delivered the several lectures in the human digestive system. ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में मैंने आपको ओइसोफेगस और स्टमक के बारे में बताया. टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द हिस्टोलॉजी ऑफ स्टमक एंड ओइडोगोनियम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ए क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, व्हाट इज मीन्स ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी? हिस्टोलॉजी in which the study of internal structure of any organ, any part of the body take place in the animal and plant both. So, if I cut the section of stomach as TS, then the following structure observe. Here, first of all, this is the TS of stomach, TS of human stomach. TS of human stomach diagram has shown here, which has the outermost, as the name given for outermost layer is serosa. Serosa, which has two important parts, as outermost part is peritoneum layer. Outermost part is peritoneum layer of serosa. Inner to peritoneum layer there is the connective tissue, and this connective tissue is special type, which is fibrous connective tissue. So fibrous connective tissue present inner side to the peritoneum in the serosa. Then next layer is called as muscularis. In the muscularis layer there are three parts, as in the muscularis outermost is called as longitudinal muscle. It is called as longitudinal muscle. Here, as outermost layer serosa, which is given here, contain the outermost peritoneum layer, inner to this fibrous connective tissue. Then second layer is muscularis, which has outermost longitudinal muscle. Next one, circular muscle. Circular muscle also has the generally a type of arrangement special, and innermost, which is called as oblique muscle in case of muscularis layer, as muscularis is from outer side to inner side, it is the second layer, as serosa is first layer from outer side, as inner to the muscularis third layer is called as submucosa. Submucosa layer, which is considered as third layer. Submucosa generally has the different parts, like it has lymph node or lymph duct, and there is presence of blood vessel also. Blood vessel also present in the submucosa layer. There are presence of the nerve fiber also in the submucosa. Innermost layer is called as fourth layer, and fourth layer is mucosa. Mucosa, which generally present just a type of folding ridge and furrow-like structure present, and this folding is called as ruchi. This is called as ruchi, and this ruchi contains the as innermost part, which is called as tunica propria. Tunica propria. Below tunica propria there is presence of mucus layer. Mucus layer, a continuous layer in the mucosa. Mucus layer which contain special cells which are called as mucus cell, and these mucus cells secrete mucus in the innermost part of the stomach. There are different type of glands present, which are called as gastric gland. These glands are as mucus producing cell, mucus cell. Another is called as peptic cell. Peptic cells generally produces the two type of product. One is propepsin and another product is prorenin. Propepsin and prorenin secretes by the peptic cells. These peptic cells also called as zymogen cell. Sometimes this peptic cell also referred as chief cell. So chief cells secrete propepsin and prorenin like secretion. Propepsin, which later on changes into pepsin in the presence of HCl. Prorenin changes into renin form in the presence of HCl. Prorenin changes into renin in the presence of HCl. Likewise, propepsin changes into pepsin in the presence of HCl in the stomach. Here, large size cells are of argentic cell. These argentic cell which generally secretes the argentic cell secretes the HCl. One secretion is HCl. Another secretion is called as intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor, sometimes to be said as Castellar or Castell's intrinsic factor. This Castell's intrinsic factor, which generally absorb vitamin B12. Absorb vitamin B12. In this way, stomach, which has a histology of 4 layers, as outermost layer is called serosa. The serosa itself made by the very thin layer which is called as peritoneum layer. Peritoneum layer lower part is made by the fibrous connective tissue. So in the serosa part, presence of outermost peritoneum layer, below this fibrous connective tissue present. Peritoneum and fibrous connective tissue both makes the outermost layer called serosa in the stomach. Second layer is known as muscularis. Muscularis has 3 important type of muscle. As outermost layer of muscularis is made by longitudinal muscle. Longitudinal muscle, which generally has the columnar, as it is 2 or 3 layers, large size cell, mostly thicker than the circular muscle. Circular muscle, which present between the longitudinal muscle and oblique muscle. So circular muscle are present in between the longitudinal muscle and oblique muscle. Lowermost part is oblique muscle, which has the large size oblique position situated muscle. So muscularis has 2 part, 3 part here in the stomach, outermost longitudinal muscle, and in the middle circular muscle, and innermost oblique muscle. Then below the muscularis, third layer is submucosa. Submucosa generally contain lymph duct and blood vessels also present. In the submucosa, nerve fibers also appear. Here, these are nerve fibers. So, submucosa contain nerve fibers, lymph duct and blood vessels. Mucosa layer is innermost layer of stomach, which generally has ridge and groove-like structure. This ridge and groove-like structure called rugae. As the mucus layer present as innermost layer in the mucosa, which contain mucus cells. Mucus cells secrete mucus, and this mucus prevent the innermost wall of stomach from the action of hydrochloric acid. As hydrochloric acid, mucus and different other secretion in summation known as gastric juice. So mucus prevent the digestion of innermost wall of stomach from the gastric juice. Next type of cell, which is larger than the mucus cell, called peptic cells, generally secretes propepsin and prorenin. This prorenin, in the presence of HCl, changes in the form of active renin. Here, propepsin, in the presence of HCl, changes in the form of pepsin. Largest cells has the gastric gland form, which contain oxyntic cell, or it is also called as parietal cell. It secretes the HCl, hydrochloric acid, HCl, which produces the acidic pH. As HCl, pH is about 1.5 in the gastric juice due to the HCl. Another secretion is Kestrel's intrinsic factor, which absorb vitamin B12 in the stomach. So this is the histology of stomach as discussed TS of human stomach. I discussed TS of human stomach by the help of this diagram. TS of human stomach has discussed. After telling you about the stomach histology, then the TS of human duodenum, TS of human duodenum part, Now TS of duodenum part has discussed. Here in the duodenum part, generally the differences are found from the stomach, that is, in the duodenum part, presence of the Brunner's gland in the submucosa. As the Brunner glands present in the part, here others like the outermost part is serosa, and serosa contain outermost part which is called a visceral peritoneum layer. This is visceral peritoneum layer. Below this, presence of the fibrous connective tissue. Here fibrous connective tissue present below the peritoneum layer. Here the fibrous connective tissue present below the peritoneum layer. Fibrous connective tissue present below the peritoneum layer. Here it is fibrous connective tissue which is present below the peritoneum layer of serosa. Second layer is called a muscularis. muscularis generally contain the outermost layer of longitudinal muscle, and inner to the longitudinal muscle presence a circular muscle in the muscularis second layer of the duodenum part. As below the muscularis third layer is present, which is called as submucosa, and this submucosa generally contain the innermost part, which is called as the muscularis mucosa, which generally made by the non-striated type of muscle, present in the muscularis mucosa in the duodenum part. This muscularis mucosa also has the longitudinal and circular muscles in it. Here the circular muscles layer present, and above this presence of longitudinal muscles in this part, and other part which generally contain the blood vessels in the submucosa layer. Generally the presence of the special Brunner glands also present here. These glands are responsible for secretion of the mucus in this layer. As these Brunner glands generally present, which sometimes enters in the mucosa. These Brunner glands secrete mucus. The lymph duct also present here. Lymph duct also present in the submucosa. Presence of the nerve fiber in this region, and lowermost part is called as muscularis mucosa. It is called as muscularis mucosae, part of submucosa. This is Brunner's gland, which generally secretes the mucus for digestion. There are presence of nerve fiber and blood vessel in the submucosa. In the submucosa, presence of blood vessels, nerve fiber, Brunner gland, and beside this, presence of the lymph duct. Lymph duct also present in the submucosa. Submucosa will separate the innermost layer mucosa by the muscularis mucosae. Muscularis mucosae, which contain longitudinal muscle and lower to this circular muscle present. Muscularis mucosae, which separate the muscularis and the here muscularis mucosae separate the submucosa with the mucosa as innermost layer of the duodenum part. Muscularis mucosae which contain the outermost longitudinal muscle and innermost circular muscle. In the mucosa, generally there is presence of the such type of a finger-like projection present here. This finger-like projection generally found in the innermost layer as towards the lumen part of the duodenum. Here the such type of cell in the cavity of the this villi, presence of the lamina propria, a tissue present as lamina propria. Here the ridge structure sometimes contain the pair cell which generally known as goblet cell. This goblet cell are present in the pair form in the innermost layer, which generally makes the finger-like projection. An innermost layer which makes the finger-like projection also has many outgrowths on its ridge part. There are presence of outgrowth on the ridge part of villus, or in plural villi. This is called as microvilli. This is generally called as microvilli. Microvilli and villi. These are known as villi. As villi is plural, singular is called as villus. Villus is singular as villus contain goblet cell which are present in the duodenum part, and presence of the here crypts of Leverkuhn. This is called as crypt of Leverkuhn as discovered by the Leverkuhn, and this is in the form of cavity made by the two adjacent villus or two adjacent villi as plural. Beside goblet cell, as other cells are rectangular in the shape, in the villus or in the villi as plural of villus. These villi has many thin outgrowths at the ridge part, which is called as microvilli. So microvilli and villi helpful in the absorption of digested food. As villus, which has many projection, which is called as microvilli. and these microvilli and villi involved in the absorption of digested food. Suppose there are presence of the digested glucose here. So glucose which is absorbed by the here presence of hepatic duct. So hepatic duct which present in the mucosa, and this absorb the glucose, and the amino acid also absorbed by the hepatic duct. So this is amino acid, AA abbreviation, and this part is called as glucose, which is monomer of the polysaccharide as starch. This innermost part is called as lumen, in which generally a space present between the two walls of the duodenum. So duodenum, which has a difference with the stomach histology or TS of stomach, in the sense that in the TS of human duodenum there are presence of many Brunner glands in the submucosa. The submucosa which extend up to the circular muscle part of the muscularis. As in the TS of human duodenum, outermost layer is serosa, which is bounded by the visceral peritoneum layer, and below this presence of fibrous connective tissue. Below the serosa, second layer is muscularis. Muscularis has two types of muscles: outermost rectangular cell containing structure of many layers cells called longitudinal muscle, and below this presence of circular muscle layer in the muscularis. Third layer is submucosa. In the submucosa, which is generally contain the blood vessels, lymph duct, nerve fiber, and presence of Brunner glands. This Brunner gland generally helpful in the digestion, as Brunner glands especially secretes the mucus, and sometimes it reaches in the innermost layer of mucosa, but majority only present in the submucosa. As submucosa separates by the mucosa layer by the help of non-striated muscle containing muscularis mucosae. Muscularis mucosae, which has outer part longitudinal muscle and inner part circular muscle in it. In the mucosa layer there are many finger-like projection called as villi in plural, and singular structure is villus. This villus again has many small hair-like projection called microvilli. Microvilli and villi both involved in the absorption of the monomer of the macromolecule like glucose. When digestion of starch gradually in the maltose, and maltose produces glucose in the form of simple sugar or monomer. This glucose and amino acid, which is shown here abbreviation generally absorbed by the hepatic duct. This hepatic duct, which extend from one part to another part, generally take part in the absorption of the digested food. It takes from the villus as the a cavity present between two villi, which is called as crypts of liver spoon in the duodenum part. And here presence of the a type of juice in the crypts of liver spoon, which is generally called as succus entericus. This succus entericus is helpful in the digestion of food in the duodenum part. So duodenum, which generally responsible for the digestion as well as absorption of digested food. Unlike in the stomach only digestion of protein and milk, sometimes small amount lipase, gastric lipase secreted, so small amount of lipid digestion take place. But in the stomach, absorption of vitamin B12 occur by the castor intrinsic factor secreted by the auxiliary gland. In the duodenum, there is absence of the such type of gland, but presence of the crypts of liver spoon in the form of cavity in which intestinal juice present, which is called as succus entericus, which contain different types of enzymes like sucrase, maltase, which responsible for the act on the disaccharide like sucrose and maltose in the conversion of as on the maltose. If maltase enzyme act, it produces glucose plus glucose. So in this way, histology of stomach and duodenum I have explained here already. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Super Classes.